Assalamualaikum, this is Mohammad Ismail Hussain and welcome back to another new English practice video. As you can see now, I am at Kumarkhali Bridge and it is located on the Gora River. As you can see, today is the third day of Eid al-Azha and there are many people have come here to visit this beautiful place and there are actually, I am here with my dear some friends. Today we have no enough time because now we want to go to YouTube village. That's why now we are going to buy a motorcycle, as you can see. So we are ready to go. Just I want to show you this beautiful view from here. So now we are going to our village, as you can see.